What's the meaning of BBC World Service? BBC World Service. BBC World Service.
BBC World Service. BBC World Service. BBC World Service is an international radio and online broadcasting service based in London. It was established in 1932 and provides news, current affairs, analysis, and cultural programming to audiences worldwide in more than 40 languages. The service is funded by the British government and delivers impartial and independent journalism to millions of people globally. Its mission is to inform, educate, and entertain while promoting understanding among nations and cultures. In a world where media freedom is increasingly under threat, the BBC World Service remains one of the most respected and trusted sources of news and information in the world.